Stuck in the 9 to 5 loop. Wake up, work, sleep, repeat. You were not born just to pay bills and die. It's time to break free. This video is your first step to financial freedom. No scams, no fluff, just real strategies for real people. You were taught to go to school, get a job, and work hard. But now you are overworked, underpaid, and exhausted. And that secure job? One layoff away from chaos. Time to flip the switch. Wealth begins with mindset. Stop thinking like an employee and start thinking like a creator, investor, builder. Here's your financial freedom starter pack. Start a side hustle. Anything from freelancing to flipping to content creation. Learn skills that pay you more per hour than your job ever could. Create a budget, pay off debt, and invest consistent. Don't rely on one job. Build income that works even while you sleep. Small steps every day. That's how freedom is built. You'll fail. You'll doubt. That's normal. But the ones who win, they start anyway, and they don't stop. So, what's stopping you? A year from now, you'll wish you started today. Like, subscribe and comment freedom if you're ready to start your journey.